Okay, good morning 12th class. That in earlier video we have learned about physical properties of group 15 element. Okay, that one regarding to ionization energy and atomic radius. Now today we'll discuss about electronegativity, metallic characters, melting and boiling point. Okay, now just see first of all electronegativity. So you know electronegativity, it's a tendency to attract shared pair of electron towards itself. Smaller is the size, okay, greater is the electronegativity. So in this case normally, okay, highest electronegativity is of fluorine, then oxygen, after that nitrogen, and then chlorine. Okay, but in respective period, or in respective period, this one is about respective period, but what about group? Okay, so simple, in case of down the group, this one is 15th group. तो नहीं पापा आशीष सबसे बिगड़ा. तो as we move down the group, just see atomic radius increases. Okay, atomic, and in this one atomic size increases, and you know smaller is the size, greater is the electronegativity. So it means if size increases then their electronegativity decreases. So this one is a pattern, simple, size बढ़ रहा है, electronegativity decreases. Okay, so this one is simple thing, and along the period electronegativity increases. Reason is because Z effective nuclear charge increases. Okay, so then in this case that electronegativity of 15th group is less as comparison to 16th group. Okay, and you know pattern, that one oxygen have higher electronegativity as comparison to nitrogen. Okay, so this one is regarding to electronegativity. Now another one we have, that one is, just see, metallic character or electropositive character. I think you know in case of metals, first of all metallic characters, metals have tendency to lose electron. Okay, those who loses electron easily, they are very good metals. ओके जो जितना इजीली लूज करेंगे वो उतने अच्छे मेटल होंगे. इट मीन्स, और लूज करने की टेंडेंसी कब बढ़ रही है? एज साइज इंक्रीजेस, force of attraction decreases, and then electrons loses easily. It means as size increases then tendency to lose electron also increases. So just see, in case of metallic characters, okay, or electropositive character, because after losing electron they acquire positive charge. So now in this one, simple thing, that one is, just see, as we move down the group then metallic characters increases. Reason why it increases? Because number of shells increases, so it means atomic radius also increases, and force of attraction decreases, then tendency to lose electron increases, and that is the reason that metallic characters increases. क्योंकि definition, as I told you, कि metals have tendency to lose electron. Okay, so now just see, you can see this also. This one is your which group? That one is 15th group. The nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, and bismuth. So these two, nitrogen and phosphorus, these two are non-metals. But as we move down the group, they are metalloids, and bismuth is metal. So just see, as we move down the group, metallic characters increases. तो non-metal से किसकी तरफ आ रहे हैं? Metal की तरफ. It means this group 15 include all three things: metals, non-metals, and metalloids. Okay, so just see, this one is regarding to metallic character. Okay, अच्छा, non-metallic character, that one is opposite of metallic characters, means, okay, down the group non-metallic characters decreases. Okay, now another point we have, that one is regarding to melting and boiling point. So in case of this one, as we move down the group, अच्छा, now in this we are talking about only 15th group, huh? Okay, now as we move down the group, then boiling and melting point, MP and BP, it's a boiling point and melting point, that one is increases. Reason, जैसे जैसे नीचे बढ़ेंगे atomic mass increases, and because atomic mass increases then van der Waals forces also increases. This one is van der Waals forces also increases, and hence melting and boiling point also increases in this one. You know van der Waals forces, normally it's a weak force generally present between molecules. Okay, so this one is, if this one is increases, so obviously more energy is required to break the bond, and hence melting and boiling point also increases. Okay, 12th class, now just see, Another properties we have, physical properties we have done. Now we have chemical properties. Now in this first one is oxidation state. This one is very very important. The oxidation state, simple, you know, oxidation state, it's a charge acquired by an atom, okay, by the effect of या by the influence of other element, कि किसी और की वजह से जो charge आता है, that one is oxidation state. Normal charge is also there obviously, okay. So simple, it is the number of electron which an atom can either gain or lose or acquire stability, okay. It may be positive or negative values. So that one is simple thing, keep oxidation state, maybe it's a positive or negative. This one is simple definition of valency, okay. But exactly, you know, oxidation state, simple, it's a charge acquired by an, ये तो है ही, this one is okay. Another definition we have कि whatever charge is acquired by an atom by the influence of other, that one is also oxidation state. तो हम इसमें दोनों ही चीज़ें include करेंगे, maybe it is positive or negative. Now just see in this one, that is negative oxidation state. First of all, so you know, group 15, it means outermost shell, how many electrons are present? 5, okay. So 5 electrons are present in outermost shell, that's why they have tendency to gain electron, and that's why their oxidation state is -3, क्योंकि 8 electron पूरे करने के लिए how many electrons are required? 3, okay. That's why -3 in their compounds, okay. The general configuration of group 15 is -3, but group 15 elements, they shows positive oxidation state also, and they shows +3 as well as +5 oxidation state also, just because of अगर कोई इससे नाइट्रोजन से ज़्यादा या 15 ग्रुप से ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट है, तो दे विल बिकम -1, एंड 15 ग्रुप एलिमेंट दे एक्ट एज अ पॉजिटिव, or they shows positive oxidation state, okay. So now just see, in case of this one, they shows positive oxidation state. How? Okay, this one is 15th group in ground state, outermost shell, just see how many electron? 5 electron, but here 3d is also present. When some other electrons come, अगर कोई और इसमें आ जाएगा, तो they will shows +3, okay, because number of unpaired electron is 3, okay. So in this case they shows what, that one is after excitation, जब आप इसे excite करोगे, तो then they have tendency to jump to d subshell also, and that's why they shows +3 as well as +5 oxidation state. दोनों की दिखा सकता है because they have vacant d orbital, okay. That's why they shows +3 as well as +5 oxidation state, okay. Now in this one, nitrogen is the only element in 15th group which shows all oxidation state from -3, okay, to +4. This one is okay, 12 class. Then nitrogen shows all oxidation state from -3 to +5, okay. बहुत सारी oxidation state show कर रहा है. Then question arises why, okay. Then it shows so many oxidation state. The reason is simple, okay, because of its small size, high electronegativity, and have a strong tendency to form p-pi multiple bond, okay. And just because of that, it shows various oxidation state from -3 to +5, okay. They have all oxidation state, okay. Thank you.